I'm Pooja. I'm from Bangalore. I have did my BCA in STR College for Women, and the year of passed out is 2023. And I joined JSPIDERS in the month of March, and I have completed Java, SQL, and Web Technology. So I got placed now for Teshendra as Associate Software Engineer, and with the package of 3 LPA. And I thankful for Shankar sir for such a beautiful training for Java, and Siddesh sir for logics, and Rahul sir for web technology, Shashank sir for SQL, and all the colleagues like Pritam sir and Sridhar sir who helped me for this company joining. And then it was a great experience in JSPIDERS, and the presentations and the assignments which made me to join this company, which helped me a lot. So thank you.